Many people are probably telling you about birth plans, hospital bags, and what to bring. Let's explore a topic rarely discussed: the true nature of labor. What you do during labor isn't the only thing that matters. How you feel, how long it might last, and the kind of help you get are also crucial. Knowing these often unspoken facts can have a giant effect on your mental and emotional readiness. First, let's move our attention from the vague concept of pain to the real-world feeling of intensity. People often use the word pain when they talk about labor. Thinking of it only as painful can make you scared, which isn't good. When you think of contractions, picture waves of strong pressure that tighten and then let go. Imagine a big wave in the ocean that builds up, peaks, and then goes down. Every contraction is crucial because it brings your baby closer. This new way of thinking lets you approach each feeling with interest and acceptance instead of resistance. These feelings show your body's strength, not that something's wrong. Now, let's discuss when labor begins, as this is a point of surprise for many first-time moms. You may have heard that the normal time for a first birth is between 12 and 24 hours. Although these are averages, the duration of your labor will vary. It could make a big difference in how long or how short it is. Early labor can last for hours or even days before active labor starts. It can feel like severe menstrual cramps or back pain. It's important to save your energy during this time. You shouldn't feel rushed to get to the hospital or too worried. Relax instead. Take a warm bath or shower, watch a funny movie, or listen to music that makes you feel better. Light exercise, like walks, can also help, but remember to put rest first. In this early stage, you should prepare your mind and body without using up all of your supplies. You'll be in active labor when your contractions get stronger, last longer, and happen closer together. Often, this is when you'll go to the place where you'll give birth. Even when you're working, the development isn't always linear. There may be times when contractions are intense, followed by short breaks. These slow times are not failures, they are times for your body and mind to rest and recover. You might feel impatient or frustrated during these slow times, but try to see them as breaks that you need. Your body has been working hard and needs these breaks to rest. Do not doubt your body's beat, even if it differs from what you read or saw in a movie. Think about the role of your partner or support person. Their actions and appearance are crucial, and it's not always clear what support means in this situation. It's not enough for them to just be there, they need to be involved in your comfort and mental health as well. Before labor, tell your partner or support person what you think you'll need. Would you like a gentle massage? Would you rather have their steady presence or quiet support? Perhaps you'd like them to help you change positions or tell you how to breathe. You may not be able to say what you need while in labor, so they may have to guess. Someone who is there to help will be quiet and offer sips of water, a cool washcloth, or a calm hand to squeeze, often without you even asking. A person who helps you should also know that they may feel powerless occasionally. It can be difficult to watch someone you care about go through strong feelings. Assure them that just being there is a tremendous source of strength. Remember that their job is to help you get through the tough times, not to take away from them. They can advocate for you, talk to medical staff if you can't, and, most importantly, be there for you emotionally. Saying things like "you're doing great" or "you are so strong" can make a huge difference. Let's now discuss the consequences of meeting your work standards. Some people have very detailed birth plans, which can help individuals talk to each other and understand each other better. But labor often has its plans. Since things can change quickly, being able to adapt is your best advantage. Consider your birth plan as a general guide, not a strict map that dictates every step. If something unexpected happens, like needing a different way to deal with pain or a change in how your baby is lying, being able to adapt will improve your experience overall and lower your stress. It's not about giving up what you want, it's about accepting that birth is constantly changing. Please consider what actions you can take at this moment to enhance your flexibility. When something unexpected happens to you in your daily life, pay attention to how you respond. Do you get stiff, or can you bend? By being flexible in small ways every day, you can build a muscle that will help you when you give birth. It's important to remember that the ultimate goal is for both you and your baby to be healthy, and the path to achieving this may not align with your original plans. Lastly, please keep in mind that your work is a very personal event. Some people may not be able to use something that works for someone else. Some people feel better when they move around and walk, while others would rather be still. A warm shower might be very relaxing for you, but a cold rub might be better for someone else. Pay attention to your body and do what it tells you. Don't feel like you have to do someone else's work or follow their idea of what work should look like. You know everything there is to know about your body because the present is your journey. Feel what you're feeling and trust your gut. Know that every feeling is getting you closer to meeting your baby. No matter what the process brings, accept it and be fully present in this life-changing event.